What did you do? Yeah, you dropped crumbs all over. You have to clean it up now. Get it in the corner. See by your shoe. Can you get those crumbs there? Over by your shoe. Yes, that's good. Move the shoe out of the way and get the crumbs in the corner. Okay, thank you. Now go clean up the crumbs. Well done. Now do you want to go throw that away? Yeah. Go bring that to the garbage. Hold it up so the crumbs don't fall out. Come on. Go ahead. To the garbage. The other way. To the garbage bin. Yeah, I'm watching. Go ahead. Don't drop them. Push it down. Okay. Mommy will help. Look. Well done.